Hi, Ray Hayden here, and this video is going to be part of the Creators Helping Creators series that I'm making. And this is an idea I got from this video right here. So YouTube's helping us out, right? I'm hypercritical of YouTube in a great number of ways, but a great number of ways, even more so probably, where they really do great things, even if they didn't intend to do that thing. That wasn't what their whole purpose was, but they gave us an idea or did something really, really great that we can kind of use that as a stepping off point for something great for our own channels. And here's one right here. This is a Creator Insider video, questions and answers with Tim Schmoyer. This gentleman on the left is Tim Schmoyer, and this gentleman on the right is Tom from Creator Insider, okay? This video is not about how to do a collaboration, but they do a collaboration. So right here, they're doing a collab with Tim Schmoyer, right? And what they're talking about is not doing a collaboration. They're talking about some helpful information. That's why I'm gonna put the link to both of these videos below this particular video, so you can go check them both out. They're both great videos. These gentlemen here have great insights, great tips. You may or may not, while you're watching them, you may or may not agree 100% with what they're saying. Listen to the whole thing, kind of pack your patience a little bit and see if it doesn't, spawn some ideas in you anyway, all right? That's what I did, and I really enjoyed both of these videos. So check them out. Now, here's the deal. This video was not intended to be a video how-to on how to make a collaboration, but it is. It's absolutely positive. It's like the makeup channels when you're watching guys and gals who do makeup or tutorial commercial, videos like that. They have tips, tricks, and techniques. That's not what their video is about. They're showing you what they're demonstrating something to us, a makeup technique or something like that. But they're giving us for free tips, tricks, and techniques on how we can do videos better ourselves. So it's really a great thing. And I love that when I'm watching somebody's video and it spawns ideas in me on what another video to make. This is exactly one of those. So what I'm talking about here is go check out how they did this video. Let me tell you basically how they did it, because I'm not giving away anything. So there's no spoiler alert here. There's no spoilers. What's going to happen is both Tim and Tom do a video of themselves. So they're doing a selfie video, right? And they're saying, well, hey, Tim, Tom saying to Tim, hey, Tim, what about this? Or, hey, Tim, what do you think about this? Or, hey, Tim, how about some insights about this? So Tom made a video of himself asking 3 questions of Tim Schmoyer. Tim Schmoyer makes a video about himself asking Tom 3 questions about things he wants to know about from Creator Insider, right? Then both gentlemen make their own standalone videos on answering the other person's questions, all right? So Tom asks Tim 3 questions, Tim asks Tom 3 questions, and they swap the videos back and forth, and then, Tim asks, answers the 3 questions from Tom, and Tom answers the 3 questions from Tim, all right? The Q&A, questions and answers, is a really great, title for this thing, because that is a tool, a format potential for a collaboration. Because one of the things I always thought about is, well, it takes time to do a collaboration. We got to pack up our gear, go to a location, do a shoot like a movie or something like that. Hopefully we get the shots that we want, and then we go edit our stuff together, and then we come up with one video. So how do we do it? We can't put the same video on each other's channels. I don't think we can anyway. It seems kind of odd. But then we got to then we got to edit them differently and make our own videos, and then post our own videos to our own channels, right? Maybe give a shout out to the other collaborator and a link to the other video kind of thing and stuff like that, which is a great idea. But to get our feet wet, to get started in doing some kind of a collaboration, an idea is to think of somebody you want to do a collaboration with, right? And then approach them, send them a private message or whatever, send them a note, say, hey, how about a Q&A? I can ask you a few questions. You can ask me a few questions. We like what we're doing. Okay, great. We swap the videos. We then answer each other's questions as long as we're comfortable, happy with it, and everything else. Determine, the format, the timing, how long each video is going to be and stuff like that. And then you can each make a video that you can post then to your own channel and then link below to the other video for the other collaborator you've been working with. So this is an excellent, excellent format. This is not what that video is all about, but that's the idea that this video, struck in my mind while I was watching it, is what a fantastic demonstration, or demonstrative would be the word, demonstrative video demonstrating how to do a very basic, simple question and answer collaboration with another creator that you have an interest in, right? So maybe you're answering with somebody else. You like camping, they like fishing, and you're pretty much hardcore in each endeavor. Ask each other questions. Do a collaboration. Somebody likes makeup tutorials. Somebody likes makeup products. Get together, ask each other questions. Do a collaboration on that. Asking each other some questions. But get to, contact each other, get in touch with each other, ask each other some questions, textually and stuff like that. Put it together, put your idea together. And again, watch this video and you can tell right here, there's nothing fancy about this, a custom thumbnail, but there's nothing really fancy about it. This is Tom in his office at YouTube, and this is Tim Schmoyer probably at his office, either in his office or in his house, right? And it's right there. It's basic. There's nothing fancy, no fancy sets, no fancy equipment, no nothing. Everything's very, very basic. Basically, just whip out your cell phone, put it on a tripod or a nice steady shot, and go and work with it. As a matter of fact, you're going to see this is not like the highest production value video I've ever seen, and it won't be for you, but it's perfectly fine. They got good audio, they got good framing, the point is made, and the communication is achieved. All right, so that is the idea. In order to do a collaboration with another person, this format and how these two videos were done is an excellent, excellent tool. So that's going to wrap it up for this one here. Give it an idea, kick it around in your mind. If you think it's a good idea and you want to do a collaboration with another creator that that you're friends with, by all means, get in touch with each other and try to do a collaboration. And both you'll get more material for your channels and creators helping creators. Another idea for a video would be to make a background video, a behind the scenes video of how you did what you did in your collaboration, all right? Some ideas for making new videos. And it doesn't even matter what your main subject matter is, because the collaboration is just that, a standalone video. It's a fantastic idea. And I have to thank these two gentlemen for making this video, or these two videos. And again, I'm going to link to them below. All right, so that's wrap that up with this. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It's very important. And don't forget to make that comment below to let me know you came by to say hi and ask questions. A lot of my videos are actually generated by people asking me questions and other things I see on your videos as well. All right, so with that, until I catch you in the next video, take care and be well.